Finally, the first look at the Galaxy S23 series is here. The Galaxy S23, S23 Plus, and then the S23 Ultra. It seems like Samsung has finally found their true design identity, which is going to make them stand out compared to the sea of smartphones out there. Starting with the Galaxy S23 and the S23 Plus design, you can see that Samsung is now bringing the patternless camera bump design to all of their models. I know people have mixed opinion about this, but personally for me, I absolutely admire this cleaner look, and in my opinion it's one of the best, if not the best, camera design on any smartphone out there. Once again, 3 camera sensors on the back, so no periscope lens for the non-ultra models. Very likely these sensors will be identical to the Galaxy S front. Once again, Samsung is keeping its beautiful bezel-less flat display look. You can see the punch hole in the middle, which could have a brand new front camera sensor. We've got same positions for the buttons and the ports, and thankfully the SIM card tray is still present on the Galaxy S23 series, so thankfully Samsung is not copying the iPhone 14. As for the S23 Ultra, it's gonna look pretty much the same as the S22 Ultra, with slightly less curve from the back and from the front. It's to the point where it's literally no difference whatsoever. It's keeping that same design, and in my opinion it's a pretty good decision. There's no need for Samsung to make the cameras look bigger like we have seen on so many Chinese phones like Xiaomi, Infinix. Like, all these phones have already adopted that look. So it makes sense for Samsung to keep this identity, something that's going to make them stand out compared to the competition. Let me know what you think about the design in the comment section below. Now guys, stop hoping for a charger to ever come back inside the box. Instead, it's time to invest in a proper good fast charger that will cover all your needs. I bring you the Ugreen Nexode Mini 45-watt charger, now 45% smaller than the original model. This one charger can fast charge your iPhone or Android phones with fast 45-watt delivery. Very compact size with dual USB-C ports, so you can charge 2 phones at the same time. The built-in Ugreen power dispenser makes sure that it delivers safe charge to your phone. So definitely check out the special link in the description to order the only charger you need. Now interestingly, Samsung could actually bring the Galaxy S23 series about 3 to 4 weeks earlier than the S22's announcement from last year. According to Korean media, this is because Samsung wants to challenge the iPhone 14 Pro sales, which are going pretty strong in pretty much all markets around the world. And considering how Samsung has put all their faith in foldables, there's literally no new Galaxy S series phone that can compete with the iPhone 14 Pro series. The S22 Ultra is about 7 months old now. The most important thing on the Galaxy S23 series will be the upcoming Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip. This chip will be a big factor when it comes to the battery performance, the camera performance, as well as the smoothness of the whole UI. And well, we have some good news to report. According to iSuniverse, the configuration for the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 is looking pretty strong, and thankfully it is built on the TSMC 4nm process, same as the iPhone 14 Pro's Apple A16 chip, and it's got a big improvement for NPU, ISP, and GPU, meaning we're gonna get better performance in terms of gaming, battery, and camera usage. I'm really excited for the next big thing from Qualcomm, and since we're not getting a huge design change, I'm hoping that we could see a price drop with the S23 series. That's all for this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.